Looking for the fuse box in your Dodge Caravan, 2001 to 2007? I'll guide you exactly where it is and break down the diagram so you can spot the right fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2001 to 2007 Dodge Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box is mounted near the battery in the engine bay for easy access. It safeguards major circuits, including the engine control unit, fuel system, and ignition components. The box also protects safety features like ABS, headlights, and cooling fans. This ensures dependable performance of essential engine functions and key safety systems. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.